Welcome back to the session of English Grammar for Beginners. We have already seen what is a word, what is a sentence, the parts of sentence. Now we are going to see about parts of speech, the very basics of English grammar. Right. So we are continuing about English grammar for beginners, starting with parts of speech. So how can we define parts of speech? Look here. Let us understand about parts of speech. The speech contains words and sentences. So the words in sentences are divided into parts and named them. So they are parts of speech. So let us see here. Look at the screen here. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. How can they be? See here, according to their usage, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence, the parts of speech are 8 in number. How many are they? 8 in number. According to the use, according to the work they do, according to their usage in the sentence, we can categorize, we can classify parts of speech into 8. Understand? So let us look at here. వాక్యంలో మనం వాడేటువంటి పదములు వాటి చేసేటువంటి పనిని బట్టి రకరకాలుగా విభజించడమును భాషా భాగములుగా చెప్పబడును. అవి ఇంగ్లీష్లో 8గా చెప్పబడును. అవి ఎన్ని? 8. సో మనం వాడేటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్క పదానికి ఒక పేరును పెట్టబడింది. ఆ పేరునే పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్గా ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పుకుంటాం. దాన్ని తెలుగులో ఏమంటాము అంటే భాషా భాగములు. సో లెట్ us see here once. Look at the sentence. We have already seen the sentence, the definition of a sentence in our previous class. Raju is going to the market with his mother. Raju is going to the market with his mother. Look here, how many words are there and what are they called? So this is a sentence which contains groups of words, and every word in this sentence is given a name. So let us see that word. So Raju is a noun. Is going to, verb. If we go little bit further, is can be adverb. To is a preposition and the is an adjective. Market is a noun. With is a preposition. His adjective and mother is a noun. So every word of the sentence given a name like this. Okay, so they are said to be parts of speech. Look here, every word or part of a sentence has a name. The name that is given to every word of a sentence is said to be parts of speech. Look at here. వాక్యంలోని ప్రతి పదానికి ఒక పేరుతో పిలుస్తాము. వాటిని పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ గా చెప్పబడును. దట్స్ వాట్ వి హావ్ లెర్న్డ్. ఎవ్రీ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సెంటెన్స్ క్యాన్ బి నేమ్డ్, ఈజ్ నేమ్డ్, and they are said to be parts of speech. Look here, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. They can be said in Telugu like this. నామవాచకము, సర్వనామము, విశేషణము, క్రియ, అవ్యయము, విభక్తి ప్రత్యయము, సముచ్చయము, ఆశ్చర్యార్థకము. Look here. One by one, let us see. What is a noun? What is a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. ఒక వ్యక్తి, ఒక ప్రదేశము, ఒక వస్తువుకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి పేరునే నౌన్గా చెప్పబడును. చూడండి ఇక్కడ, అక్బర్ వాజ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ కింగ్. Kolkata is on the Hooghly. The rose smells sweet. The sun shines bright. His courage won him honor. So, look here. The highlighted words are nouns because they are names given to that. So, one thing that here the thing is there. Thing includes, look there. The word thing includes all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell, and something that we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses. So here thing includes all things, like here courage, we cannot touch it, it can be felt. Honor, we cannot touch it, we can be felt. Right? So the names of these words are also can be said as a noun. Understand? So let us see. Pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. In the place of a noun, noun కు బదులుగా వాడబడేదాన్ని pronoun అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ప్రొనౌన్ అంటే తెలుగులో ఏమంటాము? సర్వనామము. సర్వనామం అంటే నామవాచకానికి బదులుగా. ఏంటవి? Let us see examples here. See, John is absent because he is ill. Who is ill? John is ill. That's why he is absent. So he is used in the place of John. So hence he is said to be pronoun. The books are where you left them. Books are where you left them. Where they, them are refers to books. So here the books are replaced by them. Okay, so here you can see the pronoun where you left them. What you left? You left the books. Books, them refers to books. Okay, so them is a pronoun, he is a pronoun. So we will see furtherly. Okay, adjective. Next one is adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Add something to the meaning of a noun. Understand? Look here. He is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. So here, brave boy. What kind of boy? Brave boy. So adjective is said to be as a brave. That describes a noun. Understand? There are 20 boys in this class. How many boys? 20 boys. This class. Where? This class. So this is a adjective. 20 is an adjective. Brave is an adjective. So adjective is a word which describes a noun. That's what you keep in mind. Adjective describes a noun. That's it. Next. Verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to express an action, state, or possession. Look at here. What is the duty of verb? Action. Word. It expresses state. It expresses possession also. Look at the examples. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Kolkata is a big city. Iron and copper are useful metals. Wrote is are. Look at these examples. Okay. So the verbs can be categorized: action words, state, possessions. Okay, so let us see in our further classes in detail about the kinds of verbs. Understand? Let us see. So here writing, the girl wrote a letter. Kolkata is a big city. Iron and copper are useful metals or verbs. Adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So here, adverb describes a verb, describes an adjective, describes another adverb. So look at the example here. He worked the sum quickly. How did he work? Quickly. So quickly is a word which describes working. The flower is very beautiful. Adjective, beautiful is an adjective. Very is an adverb. Very beautiful. This flower is very beautiful. She pronounced the word quite correctly. Quite correctly. She pronounced the word quite. How? Quite correctly. So here quickly describes a verb, worked. Here very describes an adjective, beautiful. And here correctly describes the word quite, another adverb. She pronounced the word. How did she pronounce quite? So identification of adverbs we will discuss in further. Understand? So next we will see preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Here, the thing is that you need to keep in mind relation to. So, preposition is a relating word. It shows the relation between words, between sentences, between nouns and persons and things, noun or pronoun. Understand? So let us see example. There is a cow in the garden. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. There is a cow in the garden. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. In, of, under describes prepositions. The cow, there is a cow in the garden. In the garden. Where is the cow? In the garden. The girl is fond of music. So here you see in, of, under, at, on. Okay, of all these are prepositions. Okay, so we will next is an interjection. What is an interjection? Sorry, conjunction. What is a conjunction? I will see. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. What does the conjunction do? Joins words or sentences. Look at the example here. Rama and Hari are cousins. He is so clever that nobody can win over him. I ran fast but missed the train. I ran fast but missed the train. Okay. So here and combined two words, Rama and Hari. So clever. Two sentences. Here ran fast but missed the train. Two sentences. And so that, but, neither nor, either or, so that, such that. So many words are there, conjunctions. So what is a conjunction? Connecting word. Conjunction is a connecting word. Conjunction is a joining word. We can come to a conclusion. So what is the next one is interjection. What is an interjection? Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. What does it expresses? Sudden feelings. So let us see. It's a feeling. That's it. Hurrah! We won the game. Alas, she is dead. Hurrah! We won the game. Alas, she is dead. This is what you need to keep in mind. Hurrah! A feeling. Sudden feeling. It's an expression. Okay. So look at here. Next one. So we have seen already the words are categorized into parts of speech. And they are, see here. As words are divided into different classes according to the work they do in sentences, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. The uses of a word in a sentence is important to identify what kind of class it is, what kind of parts of speech it is. That's what very important. Let us observe with one examples here. They arrived soon after is an adverb which describes when they hmm, soon after this. Okay, next, after us, they arrived after us. So here they arrived after we had left, connected. So same word after used as an adverb, preposition, conjunction. So this is what you need to keep in mind. The usage of the particular word is very necessary to understand under what category, under what class this parts of speech or this word can be categorized or classified. Okay, so that is what. So in our next session we are going to discuss deep one by one more about nouns, more about pronouns, more about verbs, more about adjectives, more about conjunctions, more about prepositions, more about interjections. So observe carefully, try to understand. If not got and if not, we will get clarify in our further sessions. So watch it carefully, listen carefully, and your comments are most welcome on this video. Thank you. Thank you. So let us